Typhoon Manyi is approaching the Philippines. Although it hasn't made landfall yet, its impact is already being felt. The 16th of November 2024. In Tiwi, Albay Province, strong winds and heavy rainfall have begun. The typhoon is intensifying, with similar conditions reported in Bulusan, Sorsogon. Experts warn that typhoon #Manyi could develop into a super typhoon as it nears landfall. This poses a serious threat of flooding, landslides, and storm surges in coastal areas.
Yan po. Yan, baha na po dito sa Puro, Legazpi City. Ayan po, ngayong umaga, 6 a.m. Ayan po, baha na po dito. Wala pa nga.
We urge everyone to stay safe, seek shelter in secure locations, and follow the guidance of local authorities. Stay tuned for further updates.
Oh God, bukas na